Hello! Today we are going to learn how to make the perfect ballet bun for anyone. Let's list a few things you will need. You will need a hairbrush, comb, ponytail holder, bobby pins, hairnet, make sure it matches your hair color, and hairspray or hair gel. The first thing you will need to do is brush your hair to make sure there are no knots and that your hair is ready to go into the perfect ballet bun. After you brush your hair, you will brush it into a ponytail. It can be low, high, or in the middle of your head. Try to make sure there are no bumps, and don't forget to spray down any flyaways. Next, we will twist our hair and wrap it around the ponytail holder, staying as flat to your head as possible. When you get to the end of your twisted hair, tuck your ends under inside the bun. After that, you will take bobby pins to secure your bun. You don't want it to move. Once your bun is secure, the next thing you will do is wrap it with a hairnet. Once the hairnet is wrapped, you will secure it with more bobby pins. Lastly, you will hairspray your hair and comb down any extra flyaways you may have. If you have bangs, baby hairs, or short hair, you might have to add bobby pins and clips on top of the hairspray to keep it secure. And that's how you make a perfect bun. Thank you for watching.